What if your teen learners could be the architects of harmony in your classroom? Hello, I'm Robert Martinez, representing TESOL Spain, and I'm delighted to invite you to Nellie Deutsch's 3-day free online conference, Connecting Online 2026, running from Friday 6 to Sunday, the 8th of February, 2026. My session is called Sign Here Please, Teens Taking Control of Classroom Harmony. We'll explore how co-designed agreements empower teen learners, improving ownership, calm, and motivation, and how AI can support our decision-making. You'll discover practical strategies to shift control into your students' hands. When teens help define class norms, you'll see more collaboration, fewer disruptions, and stronger motivation. Join me online on February 6th at 9 p.m. CT Madrid time. Let's co-create harmony with teens. To access the conference LMS Moodle, you will need to create a free account and enroll in the CO2026 course to participate. Look for the links in the description. Curious about AI teaching, edtech tools, assessment, and methodology? Check out my YouTube channel for more. Remember, learning is fun, and you don't have to do it alone, so let's learn together with Robert.